it's me, Marvy. Did I ever mention that my favorite color is green? My sister sent me these cool glasses. A lot of my favorite things are green, like grass and the trees outside. Oh, and some of my favorite foods are even green, like avocados and kiwis and pickles. But what if everything were green? Take a look with my special glasses. Wow. Now my whole room looks green. The walls look green. My bed looks green. Even Eleanor looks green. Having everything look green is really nice, but now the color green doesn't really stand out like it used to. Plus, it's nice to see your favorite color with the other colors, like in a rainbow. Looks like I'll have to ask my sister to send me rainbow glasses next. Do you have a favorite color? Have a grown-up write your answer in the comments below. I'll see you later. Greeny beanies.